Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Ulanzi flexible tripod MT-11, and I'm just going to be talking about its features and its functions and try and use it. Okay, so let's jump right into the video as you are here. Hey guys, welcome back to Duchess Management. My channel is about social media management, YouTube management, tips and tricks for social media. Okay, so this is the Ulanzi flexible tripod, the MT-11 flexible tripod. It is known for being very firm. So I just want to unbox it and then talk about the features and then try to, use it. The Ulanzi tripod is made from the Shenzhen Ulanzi Technology Co. Limited. Okay, so let's go ahead to unbox it. So inside the box we have the tripod, the flexible tripod. Okay, and this is how it looks like. So it is a multi-function holder and it has camera support. You can use it for horizontal and vertical support video. We have the caterpillar legs, the hot shoe slot, and 1/4 outer interface. Okay, so now let's look at it closely. So this is the tripod leg. It is caterpillar. They call it caterpillar tripod. You can easily bend it, to fix it up on somewhere or to make it stand. To mention a few. So when you raise it up, you see this place that you can like screw in like elongated holder and stuff like that. So look at this. This is the holder where we used to put our phone, and yeah, this is where we used to control. Okay, so you can see it. This is the caterpillar leg, and then that knob there is what we use to make the movement. Like if you want to change your phone to horizontal or if you want to change it to vertical. Okay, and yeah, let's just do that. You can see it. You can change it to horizontal, you can change it to vertical, and that is how to tighten it. Okay, so now let's go ahead to look at the up. So here you can either screw your camera or you can screw another stand to it, or your mic, to mention a few. And then you can see that if you want to use it for your phone, it has like a phone holder. So once you open it like this, you can place your phone vertically or horizontally. So in the course of the video, I'm going to you know um try it out for you to see. Okay, so I feel like this is a very, very um strong tripod, because I have several tripods. You can check my channel for the different tripods I have. Some of them, their legs are not so strong and their grips are not so tight. But this one, the caterpillar leg is very strong and the grip is tight. So inside the box too, you also see the instruction manual that talks about like all the things I've talked about, from the multifunction holder to camera support to horizontal and vertical shooting support, to mention a few. So guys, yeah, so now let's like do a close shot. So I'm just going to go ahead to open this. You can see how you open it. So you can use this for your vertical and you can use this for your horizontal. And then you can also close it and put your camera on top. Okay, so now that I've opened it, I want to connect my phone to it so that we can try and see. Okay, so this is my iPhone 6. I'm just going to go ahead to put it in. So guys, you can see how it looks like. It's the grip is very strong, and then you can hold it like close up like this, or you can like put it to stand. Okay, so anyway, I really like this, and I'm sure that it's going to make my videos straighter. And yeah, so this is just the unboxing video and a quick review of it. Okay, so I'm going to do like a video of setting it up with the camera in another video. So I mentioned earlier that you can elongate the top. So this is just me using another phone holder to like elongate the top. So I'm screwing that part up. Okay, so that can be like a phone holder if you don't want to use the tripod phone holder, or you want to use a bigger phone or a tab for recording. And this is how it looks like, guys. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Do remember to like, to share, to subscribe, the notification button. I'll see amazing people in my next video. Let me go ahead to pack this. You can check my channel for different tripod videos. I have my Oraimo tripod video, YouTube black tripod video, to mention a few. Thank you.